the last day of May in the Rocky Point recharge zone, and it has been a very wet month of May. Let's go down there and take a look at the creek bed. So much water this month. You know, I was thinking there might be a drought in 2019 or 2020, but I was mistaken. We have still plenty of water in our ponds, and even some more down there. There was a big thunderstorm last night. Look at that, so much water from last night's thunderstorm. It's all full down by the, and green, really green here. And there's water even in the sections that are normally dried up by now. So that's all really good sign here on the last day of May, May 31st, in the RPRZ, the Rocky Point recharge zone. Let's see if we can see any creatures. Lots of water. Look at that, so much water now. Even our channel from the mowers is full. We had a good, healthy storm last night. Let's walk down and see if it's still trickling. They're pretty tough to film. Yeah, plenty of water under the black willow and even in these sections here. So last night's thunderstorm was a good one. Plenty of rain on the last day of May. We can say unequivocally that May was a wet month this year, and it was overcast when it wasn't wet. So the evaporation effect is lessened by that, by the overcast clouds. Yeah, see? You can see the water is still running. Remember last week we came and this was dry here, and then I told you that's how the water runs into the wood, right? By going along there and like that. This is the last of last night's rain. There it is. Still running. So this is the last of the rainstorm from last night that we're looking at. On the last day of May, in the Rocky Point recharge zone here by the wood, the RPRZ has gotten a lot of rain in May. That's a good sign. We'll see what June does. My expectation is lots of wildflowers and the pollinators, and then subsequently the birds. This is the RPRZ. We are found at rprz.org. I'm MTK. Welcome.